Today we've got a clothing haul in the office from TexTale. They sent over a few of their signature pieces to try out, so let's jump into it. So we've got 4 pieces from TexTale here in our haul. We've got their Stain-Repel signature tee. We've also got their Anti-Odor Polo, and we've got some of their Airy Trunks. If you haven't heard about TexTale before, they're a global clothing brand built by former tech guys, so they know what they're doing. Their products are really well made. They are extremely well fitting. They hug you properly. They fit you nicely. They're not baggy. They're not loose. And this is sort of the style of clothing that I like to go for, is more of a fitted look versus something baggy and loose. So it definitely fits my aesthetic. I'm going to try on the Anti-Odor Breeze Polo first. I've got it here in the olive green color. Really nice color, really great fit, as I just mentioned. Now, full disclosure, the clothes that I got here today are larges. Normally I wear a medium, but because of the fit of the TexTale product, this actually doesn't look that bad on me. So although I would probably still consider trying a medium for myself personally, this large does fit quite nicely. So take that into consideration if this is a particular size that you also wear. So the Breeze Polo, it's sweat wicking, odor free, really nice snappy buttons on the front, and it's breathable, lightweight, and stretchy. Again, this is definitely my sort of piece of clothing, very professional, while also having a little bit of a touch of casual. So next, we've got the signature stain repelling tee, nice tight fit on the chest, snug on the arms, but it's got a little bit of give on the bottom, giving you that really nice confidence boosting fit. As I already talked about, this looks great. Doesn't just sit on you. It's very hugging and nice, but it's stretchy and breathable, so it feels premium. It's got a nice ribbed neckline. There's nothing loose, no tags, nothing like that. It's just clean and elegant. I also really like how they've done the branding and embroidering on these shirts. It's just neatly tucked on the back. It's subtle, it's not in your face, blends in with the material. And on the inside, again, there's no tags. It's just screen printed on, so it gets out of the way. It doesn't scratch you or bug you when you're wearing the shirt. But again, this big selling point of the signature tee is its stain repelling technology. It can repel soda, juice, beer, etc. It just rolls off the shirt. I've got to say, I am super impressed with how well the TexTale shirt repels water and therefore prevents stains. I've tested products like this before, but none of them have ever performed this well and done such a great job. The TexTale definitely does it better. And best of all, it does all of this while being super breathable and comfortable. I'm not feeling too snug, like I can't move around or stretch or anything. Fits great, feels easy to use and wear on a day-to-day basis. And I've really enjoyed wearing this shirt and the polo. And as I said, I've got a couple of pairs of the Breeze Airy Trunks here. I'm not gonna show you what they look like. I'm gonna spare the internet from seeing that. But I will say, they are extremely comfortable. It's like they're not even there. I've never worn a pair of trunks or boxer briefs quite like this before. And they are quite affordable as well at only 20 bucks a pair. Some of the other brands out there can get pretty expensive. So if you want to check out anything that we talked about today, click the link down at the top of the description below to check out TexTale. And be sure to use our special 15% off discount code, which is D15DEE15. Again, everything will be down in the description below for you to check out. Huge thanks over to the team over at TexTale for sending these clothes over for us to check out today. If you want to take a look at their full lineup of not just t-shirts and polos and underwear, but also hoodies and other tech products perfectly built for designers, coders, fashion-forward people, and other people in tech, just like you probably and myself, head over to the link down in the description to shop all of TexTale's products, and again, use our code. And be sure to let me know which of these pieces is your favorite. Have you tried TexTale before? Have you heard of the brand? Let's have a conversation as always down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you again soon in the next video.